Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily add an AI chatbot on your Shopify website. So all you have to do is head over to admin.shopify.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in a new tab, just head over to apps.shopify.com and in the search bar, just start searching for Ask Timmy, then press enter. Next is just install AskTimmy.ai. Just grant access permissions by clicking on install. From here, let's get started for free. And all you have to do is fill in all the necessary information, such as your brand name, your website, description. Then just click on next. And from here, you can customize your chatbot. You can choose your AI assistant avatar by clicking on the radio button. And you can also add an AI assistant name. You can also choose your brand color and launcher position. Then once done, just proceed by clicking on next. And from here, all you have to do is follow the steps below. All you have to do is head over to the theme editor and enable AI. Then click on save. And we're going to do that by clicking on this button. Go to theme editor. We're just going to enable our AI chatbot by toggling this button. Then just click on save. And as you can see, here's a preview that our AI chatbot is now already added on our Shopify web page. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!